Hi there, students. Hush, hush. This is used as an adjective or a modifier. We can also actually find it in the phrase on the hush, hush. Okay, if something is hush, hush, it's secret. So we're going to have a surprise party for John on Saturday for his birthday. But it's all very hush hush. So keep it quiet and be very careful that he doesn't find out about it. I think we probably use this phrase hush hush particularly to talk about an official plan, an official project, something belonging to maybe a company or a government. So we use it as a synonym for something that's top secret, it's classified, it's confidential, it's restricted information. Yeah, it's covert or covert, as you could say as well. So yes, there is a very hush hush project going on at the moment, doing investigation into this virus. It's going on at a very hush hush government laboratory on the south coast of the country. Yeah, the couple decided to get married despite their parents' objections, but they kept the wedding very hush hush so that nobody would find out about it until the last moment. Let's see, the Enigma project in Bletchley Park during the Second World War. This was always very hush hush. It was something that was very secret. It's something that wasn't to be spoken about. Let's see, this word hush hush comes from hush, which comes from the Middle English interjection hust, meaning quiet, be quiet, or huschen, to hush. Yeah, I mean, to hush means to become quiet. So the crowd hushed when the speaker came on stage, or also to tell somebody to be quiet or to make somebody quiet. So the teacher hushed the students. Can't you hear the onomatopoeia? Hush, hush, hush. Yeah, and this is the idea. So something that's hush hush is something that's very secret. I want this to be done on the hush hush. I don't want anybody getting wind of it. Yeah, this is all on very much on the hush hush. Do it on the hush hush so that nobody finds out about it. I've got some really important news for you, but I don't want to tell you over the phone. I want to keep it on the hush hush, so I'll wait until I actually see you to tell you about it. Yeah, because it's secret, it's undercover. Yeah, so it's something that I don't want to be general knowledge. I want it kept secret from people. Yeah. The reasons why the politician resigned were not very savoury. So the political party tried to keep it on the hush hush. They tried to keep it clandestine. I guess everything that spies do is very cloak and dagger. It's all very hush hush, so nobody actually finds out about it. As to formality, I think I would give this a 4 in formality. I use it in an informal conversation, maybe in a semi-formal conversation, but certainly no more. So I want this to be very hush hush. I don't want anyone to find out. Do everything on the hush hush. I don't want it to be general knowledge that's passed around on the grapevine. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. Yeah, don't keep it on the hush hush. Tell all your friends about it. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. And I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Hush hush. On the hush hush.